Ladies and gentlemen, before I start this video, disclaimer. Google did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this video to test Google Fi. Is this a reliable service and is it stable? So in the last 48 hours, I've been testing it, and I'm going to say this. I'm going to be very honest and very clear and very transparent. So disclaimer, I am not trying to defamate or discredit any organization, any corporate, any 501c3 on this channel. This is just my honest and real world reviews as I experience usage using cell phone or cellular services from these carriers. So Google Fi is a cell phone carrier. First and foremost, I think out of the box, I'm going to get straight to the point. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we start, once again, subscribe, like, and share. It's important you know this, because I am experiencing some very, very similarities to Simple Mobile. So, here's the thing. I'm using Google Fi, and last 48 hours, that's been very inconsistent. Just be honest with you. It's been very inconsistent. And I say this because, one, my last live stream I did is missing 1 minute. A full 1 minute. I can understand a few seconds, because that's what normally happens. But a full minute is missing. Two, I'm starting to notice some very bad communication between the towers and my device. Now, when I had Mint Mobile, communications was good. When I was using even Visible by Horizon, communications was excellent. They were on par on each other. But for some reason, when communicating with a tower, or I get one bar, like right now. If I show you, let's see here. Okay. Oh wait, that one has 4 bars. Okay. That was at 453. Now, let's take another screenshot now. You see, I'm only getting 1 bar at this current moment. So, keep this in mind. I stopped here to test because it's just something to me on my way from my job. I'm not gonna say where I'm coming from because we want to keep other people safe on this channel. But I was on my way and I noticed that I'm not getting any reception, not any communication. I'm not getting anything going. Sometimes it's dead at some points, and then suddenly I get a blank spot. So yeah, to me, I think the pricing for Google Fi is a little more expensive than the others. It doesn't really give you the benefits. It doesn't have all the benefits as Mint Mobile, when Mint Mobile has unlimited data with no cap. See, here's the thing about Google Fi. If you run over your unlimited data, let's say you have the basic plan, you will have to pay based on the data that you use. That's similar to old AT&T plan back in the early 2000s. If you remember that, AT&T has such a plan when they first started doing that. You pay for the data as you go if you run out of your data that you already have with your current plan. See, normally people buy the data and then use that data, but no, you pay based on the data you use over your data. This is where similarities to old cell phone carriers are starting to raise red flags with me with Google Fi. So I don't personally recommend Google Fi. I just don't. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm starting to have very bad inconsistencies with this Google Fi. I know I've live streamed with it twice, 3 times, and they've been very decent because there's a lot of mind you, dead areas where if I was to re-upload those live streams, we'd probably get an extra 5 minutes of footage. So yeah, this is why I don't think I would recommend Google Fi. No offense, Google, but your plans are more expensive than other plans when other plans offer cheaper at $45, $35 plans when they offer unlimited data and don't, yeah. So, but it does say vary based on your area. So, but I'm in New York City. You expected the area to be not flooded with consistency, but you thought it would be consistent since this is New York City, not somewhere like Madison, Wisconsin, or like, let's say La Crosse, okay, Wisconsin, somewhere small town, you know. But this is New York City. We expect, you know. But, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna just say this. Google Fi is it's an average good service. It's good, but it's not great. If you want to continue to use it, be my guest. But right now, I'm having not the very consistent. So, with that said, if I do look at this video and find any inconsistencies with this video, I'm gonna upload the full version. So I will be saving the video file to this. So keep this in mind, everyone. I'm just giving you guys a good assessment because this is currently I'm getting 1 bar. So I'm pretty sure I'm not getting good cellular service with this live stream. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of breaks because I've been live streaming for 7 minutes. So I should get a full 7 minutes. But I'm trying to hit 8 minutes for a reason. So, but other than that, everyone, listen, take everything what I say when using these carriers on my iPhone 14 Pro. Yes, I'm only using these on my iPhone 14 Pro or my iPhone phones for now. But I think it's, like I said, a very average cell phone service. It's not nothing spectacular. I'm not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. It's not wowing me. It's not blowing me away. Searching the web has been inconsistent. There's been a lag. There's been like, I gotta reload the page. Mind you, I have to restart my phone like about 4 times, I believe, because I felt like when they first started this free plan, it was supposed to be unlimited every day, but they started me on a basic plan, and I didn't realize that until today, well, last night, and I switched it to unlimited. And so I had to restart my phone, and yeah, and to restart the service, because that's what it requires me to do, and I'm not seeing great service. So I might have to like cancel the free trial before the 4th day, because I'm not impressed. It's not giving me that wow factor. But with that said, everyone, this has been my personal real world review using it in different areas, guys. Watch my live streams in the last, like, mind you, we were live streaming. It did good. I think it did decently well on the bridge, even though I noticed some missing a lot of footage. So yeah, very inconsistent, missing some bits. So yeah, with that said, everyone, I'm Panda. I don't have an affiliate link to the Google Fi. I'm not going to leave one. I leave it up to you to decide if you want to choose to buy Google Fi as your cell phone service carrier. But I recommend looking elsewhere as well. So you have other options like Visible and Mint Mobile, and I think those are the 2 best budget premium cell phone carrier services right now, especially with the unlimited services. Oh, you get your bang for your buck. With that said, everyone, thank you for watching. See ya.